Perched high on a rugged cliff in the Bavarian Alps, Neuschwanstein Castle seems to have sprung from the pages of a fairy tale. Its gleaming white towers and soaring turrets pierce the sky, creating an image of unparalleled beauty and grandeur. Neuschwanstein Castle is a stunning example of 19th-century Romanesque Revival architecture, characterized by its round arches, sturdy towers, and decorative elements inspired by medieval castles. The castle's design is a harmonious blend of various architectural styles, reflecting Ludwig II's eclectic taste and his desire to create a unique and unforgettable structure. Elements of Gothic Revival architecture can be seen in the castle's pointed arches and soaring spires, while Byzantine influences are evident in the ornate mosaics and decorative motifs. One of the most striking features of Neuschwanstein Castle is its use of advanced technology for the time. Central heating, running water, and flush toilets were all incorporated into the castle's design, making it a remarkably modern building for its era. The castle's kitchen was also equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a Rumford oven and a rotating spit for roasting meat. These technological advancements highlight Ludwig II's forward-thinking nature and his desire to create a comfortable and luxurious residence. The castle's exterior is equally impressive, with its white limestone facade and colorful frescoes depicting scenes from German mythology and Wagnerian operas. The surrounding landscape with its lush forests, sparkling lakes, and towering mountains provides a breathtaking backdrop for this architectural masterpiece. Stepping inside Neuschwanstein Castle is like entering a world of fantasy and imagination. The interior is just as opulent and awe-inspiring as the exterior, with every detail meticulously planned and executed. The castle's rooms are decorated in a variety of styles reflecting Ludwig II's love of art, music, and literature. Rich fabrics, intricate carvings, and sparkling chandeliers create an atmosphere of unparalleled luxury and grandeur. One of the most impressive rooms in the castle is the throne room, a soaring space designed to evoke the grandeur of a Byzantine basilica. Although the throne was never actually built, the room's opulence and grandeur leave no doubt about the power and majesty of the king who commissioned it. Another highlight of the castle is the Singers' Hall, a grand hall inspired by the medieval Hall of Song in Wartburg Castle. The room's acoustics are exceptional, designed to enhance the beauty of musical performances. The Singers' Hall is a testament to Ludwig II's love of music and his desire to create a space where art and culture could flourish. The hall's walls are adorned with murals depicting scenes from Wagner's operas, while the vaulted ceiling is painted with a starry sky. The castle's study is another highlight, featuring a secret grotto hidden behind a waterfall. Neuschwanstein Castle stands as a testament to the vision and ambition of King Ludwig II. Despite his short reign and tragic end, his legacy lives on in this architectural masterpiece. The castle is not only a symbol of Bavaria, but also a reminder of the power of imagination and the enduring allure of fairy tales. It continues to captivate visitors from around the world, transporting them to a realm of fantasy and wonder. The castle's construction was a massive undertaking, requiring the labor of thousands of workers and artisans. It also placed a significant financial strain on the Bavarian treasury, leading to criticism of Ludwig II's spending habits. However, the king remained undeterred, driven by his vision and his desire to create a lasting monument to his reign. Despite the controversies surrounding its construction, Neuschwanstein Castle has become one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Section 5. Ludwig II, the Dreamer King. King Ludwig II of Bavaria, often referred to as the Swan King or the Fairy Tale King, was a complex and enigmatic figure. Born in 1845, he ascended to the throne at the young age of 18. However, Ludwig was ill-prepared for the realities of rule and showed little interest in the political affairs of his kingdom. Instead, he became increasingly withdrawn, seeking solace in a world of art, music, and fantasy. He was a passionate patron of the arts, particularly the operas of Richard Wagner, which had a profound influence on his life and worldview. Ludwig's fascination with Wagner's operas, with their themes of medieval romance, chivalry, and German mythology, fueled his desire to create a world that mirrored these fantastical narratives. The king's introverted nature and extravagant spending habits led to growing concerns about his mental stability and his ability to rule. In 1886, at the age of 40, Ludwig II was declared insane and deposed by his own government. Section 6. Artistic inspirations and cultural impact. Neuschwanstein Castle's design was heavily influenced by the romantic ideals of the 19th century, a period marked by a fascination with the past, a love of nature, and a celebration of emotion and individuality. Ludwig II's passion for the operas of Richard Wagner played a pivotal role in shaping the castle's design and its overall aesthetic. Wagner's operas, with their themes of medieval romance, chivalry, and German mythology, resonated deeply with the king's own romantic sensibilities and his desire to create a world that transcended the mundane realities of his time. The castle's interior is adorned with murals and paintings depicting scenes from Wagner's operas, such as Lohengrin, Tannhauser, and Parsifal. The Singers' Hall, in particular, was inspired by the medieval Hall of Song in Wartburg Castle, a setting featured in Wagner's opera Tannhauser. Neuschwanstein's impact on art and culture extends far beyond its immediate surroundings. The castle's fairy tale aesthetic and its association with Ludwig II's tragic story have captured the imaginations of artists, writers, and filmmakers for over a century. Section 7. Neuschwanstein in popular culture. Neuschwanstein Castle's fairy tale architecture and its association with the enigmatic King Ludwig II have made it a popular setting and inspiration for numerous works of popular culture. From classic Disney films to Hollywood blockbusters, the castle's iconic silhouette has graced screens around the world, enchanting audiences and cementing its status as a symbol of fantasy and romance. One of the most famous examples of Neuschwanstein's influence on popular culture is Walt Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle. The castle, which serves as the centerpiece of Disneyland theme parks worldwide, was directly inspired by Neuschwanstein's romantic design. Walt Disney himself visited the castle in the 1930s and was captivated by its beauty. Beyond Disney, Neuschwanstein has made appearances in numerous films, including the 1968 musical Chitty Chitty Bang Bang and the 2012 action thriller The Bourne Legacy. The castle's striking visuals and its association with fairy tales and fantasy make it an ideal setting for films looking to transport audiences to magical and enchanting worlds. Today, Neuschwanstein Castle stands as one of the most popular tourist destinations in Germany, attracting millions of visitors from around the world each year. People are drawn to the castle's fairy tale beauty, its fascinating history, and its breathtaking natural surroundings. To accommodate the influx of tourists, the Bavarian government has implemented a number of measures to preserve the castle and its surroundings. Visitors can only access the castle's interior through guided tours, which are carefully timed and limited in size to minimize wear and tear. The castle's exterior and grounds are meticulously maintained, ensuring that future generations will be able to enjoy its beauty. The revenue generated from tourism plays a vital role in funding the ongoing preservation efforts at Neuschwanstein. Neuschwanstein Castle, with its soaring towers, gleaming white facade, and breathtaking mountaintop setting, has become synonymous with fairy tales and the power of imagination. Its image graces countless postcards, posters, and souvenirs, instantly recognizable as a symbol of dreams, romance, and the enduring allure of the past. The castle's enduring popularity lies in its ability to transport us to a world of fantasy and wonder. It embodies the romantic ideals of the 19th century, a period marked by a fascination with the past, a love of nature, and a celebration of emotion and individuality. Neuschwanstein is a tangible expression of these ideals, a place where dreams take flight and imagination knows no bounds. For those planning a visit to Neuschwanstein Castle, it is essential to plan ahead to make the most of your experience. The castle's popularity means that tickets often sell out in advance, especially during peak season. It is highly recommended to purchase tickets online before your visit to avoid disappointment. The nearest town to the castle is Füssen, which is well connected by train and bus services. From Füssen, visitors can take a shuttle bus or horse-drawn carriage to the castle's ticket center. Once inside the castle, visitors can enjoy guided tours that provide insights into the castle's history, architecture, and the life of King Ludwig II. Neuschwanstein Castle, perched high on its rocky crag in the Bavarian Alps, stands as a testament to the enduring power of dreams. Conceived in the imagination of a king who sought solace in a world of fantasy and romance, The castle has become a symbol of the triumph of the human spirit over adversity.